Hi friends, I am Natalia with Mom's Dish. Today we are using this red cabbage to make the most delicious salad. Here's the thing, you probably have never tried this salad before, and trust me, it is amazing. You want to watch this video because you will love it. But we are going to start out with a dressing first. For the dressing, I am going to use white vinegar. Just going to pour that in. We need oil. I am using this extra virgin olive oil. A great deal for this is at Costco. It's a good quality oil, great for salads. We need about a quarter cup. I will list all the measurements down below. I am measuring nahlas like my mom would. Like whatever the heart desires. We need some salt. I think it's about 1 teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of pepper. Then we need some cumin. Let me see how much cumin. I had it all memorized. Okay, there's a recipe in that drawer. Okay, half a teaspoon of cumin. This adds that deep flavor. And if you have not had a salad with the cumin, you are in for a treat. So good. One more thing that we do need is this garlic. I need just 1 garlic clove. You better make everybody eat garlic with you or the salad with you because nobody stinks. Nobody's breath is stinky. Can't smell each other. Oi, what did we do here? Dump this out. Okay, we're gonna press that garlic in. You can mince it if you want to. This makes it easier for me. Okay, then we're gonna whisk all of this up. You could have done this in a jar, like shaking it up in a jar. That works too, but this works just perfectly fine. Gonna set this aside. We don't need this until we're done with the veggies. We are gonna start by shredding our lettuce, or that's cabbage, purple cabbage. We're gonna shred this purple cabbage. I knew the words were not correct. You know what's interesting? In Ukrainian, cabbage is all the same. Maybe there's a separate name from it, but we called everything cabbage, so that's why my mind was thinking that way. Okay, we will need one of these shredders, but you can also use your knife. That works too. But this just speeds up the process. I'm gonna slice this in half. I already removed the top layer. You always want to remove the top layer. You do not know where your cabbage has been. So just remove this. And the thickness is hard to tell you, but I'm gonna show you in a second. Okay, this is gonna be great. So easy. Okay, let me show you. You want to be like this, like a paper thin almost. Long paper thin pieces. Just gonna make a perfect bite. As I'm shredding it, I'm gonna move some of it to the bowl because it's hard to get space. I wonder if you could do it over a bowl. Probably not. I think I got this salad recipe from one of my sisters, and we have been making it for years. But the combination of ingredients, if somebody told me this salad would be good, I would just be like, that's weird. But trust me, it lives on a blog for years for a good reason. We love it. We need half a onion. I think this is yellow onion, but white yellow onions will work really well on here, but you want to dice it into tiny little pieces. So the smaller the better. You want the bites to have the flavor. My fingers are all purple. Maybe wearing gloves would be really good from that purple cabbage. Okay. And then we're going to do tiny little pieces. Oh no, here it comes. Should have done this last. This is horrible. Okay, adding this to the salad. Okay, stuffed olives. I could not think of the word. You want to use stuffed olives. They kind of look like this. And here's a tip for life for you. If you don't have a strong man around, you got this. So you tap it all around and you can easily open it. It would be funny if it doesn't work. It worked. You want to drain the juice. Okay, and we're gonna slice them up. And I always add all the measurements for the salad are gonna be down below. So if you want to see the measurements, no worries, we got you. I'm gonna add my olives to the bowl with the other ingredients. We're gonna need about 1/2 pound of tomatoes. I love these tomatoes on the vine. They have so much flavor and they just look so pretty too in the kitchen. How pretty. I feel like I'm in Italy. Anything to make me feel like I'm in Italy, right? Okay, we're gonna just slice them up into bite-sized pieces. You can do halves, but these ones are kind of large, so maybe I'll do like in quarters. That way the bites are more equal. For your tomatoes, you want to use a knife like this. This is a knife that you always should have on hand. This is the Zwilling Pro knife. It's the serrated knife specifically for tomatoes. It just cuts them much easier. It doesn't mush them up. That blade, you can also use a bread knife for tomatoes. That can work too. But if you have one of these knives, your life is set for life. Your life is set for life, if that makes sense. Adding our tomatoes to the salad. And this is it, you guys. These are the ingredients. Strangely odd ingredients that taste incredibly delicious. Maybe I'm the only one who thinks that they're strange, but they're truly amazing together. We're gonna whisk this dressing again because some of the dressing ingredients fell to the bottom. Now we're gonna add this dressing to the salad. Just pour it over. Garlic and everything, and toss it all together. So if you wish to make this salad in advance, you can put everything together. Just add the dressing right before serving. In that case, leave the dressing in a jar, shake it up, just pour it over, and you're ready to serve it. Once when you're ready. Does that make sense? Ready when you're ready. As always, tradition, we have to do a taste test. I'm excited for this. First of all, I'm not a fan of olives. There's only particular olives I like, but in this salad, it just works. It's so freaking good. I think we need a cube bite. Let's do a cube one. I can never do a cube bite. Is this enough ingredients for a cube bite? Let's see. This lettuce feels like spaghetti pasta. Love it. I love this salad. You have to try it. Trust me. Don't go for those boring salads. I mean, I love all the salads, but this one is next level yummy. Go make it. Surprise your guests with this. The combination of ingredients just makes sense, even though it doesn't make sense, but it's just like the flavor makes sense. Go try it. We'll see you next time. I have a goal to make a salad every single day. And this is our salad for the day. I'm so excited because it's so yummy. Do you see this? Look how long that is. That's why you need a slicer.